search. Under eCAAT, select profile, select search. Search in eCAAT has been subdivided into 10 functions. The first function being by columns. This function finds the specified value in the selected columns. Click by columns. The input screen of find all from columns would be displayed. By default, match all cell contents would be selected. The user can also select match entire cell contents. Will select match cell contents. Provide the information in regards to the value. For example, we would like to search, we'll say 1300. By default, select all fields would be displayed. The user can unselect and select any of these. For example, we have given sales. Click find. The results are displayed in the same window. All the results for 1300 value in the selected sales transfer are displayed. Click view details. The results would be displayed in a new window. Let's move on to the next function under search. The next function under search is all values. Under eCAAT, under profile, select all values. This function finds the specified value in the current worksheet. Click all values. The input screen of find all values would be displayed. Provide the information in regards to the value. For example, we would like to find the value of 5100. Click find. The results would be displayed in the same window. The user can also select the match entire cell contents option. By default, the first option would be selected. Click view details. The results would be displayed in a new window. Let's move on to the next function. Under eCAAT, under profile, select search. The next function under search is by rows. This function finds one or multiple values in the same row. Click by rows. The smart search by rows option would be displayed. Specify the value to find by rows. For example, we'll say 5100. Click OK. All the results would be displayed in a new window. All the sales records having 5100, 51,000 or 5,10,000 and so on would be displayed. Let's move on to the next function. Under eCAAT, under profile, select search. The next function under search is by values. This function finds and highlights one or more multiple values in the current worksheet. Click by values. Specify the value to find. For example, we'll say 18,000. Click OK. All the results have been highlighted. Let's move on to the next function under search. Under eCAAT, under profile, select search. Select nth occurrence. This function finds the nth occurrence of a specified value in the selected column. Click nth occurrence. Specify the value to find. For example, let's say 11,000. Specify the number of occurrences to find. We'll say 4. Click OK. As you can see, since we had mentioned the option as 4, this is the number wherein the fourth time the amount 11,000 is repeated. Let's move on to the next function. Under eCAAT, under profile, select search, select comments. This function searches comments and highlights cells having the specified comments. Click comments. The input screen of search comments would be displayed. By default, the entire sheet option will be selected. The user can also use the range option, wherein the user has to provide the start row, end row, start column and end column information. We'll select entire sheet, provide the comments. For example, click add word, click add word. The user can use the remove selected word to remove the selected topic, or use the remove all words to remove all the topics. Click OK. The comments are highlighted as shown in the file. Let's move on to the next function under search. Under eCAAT, under profile, select search, select error cells. This function finds all cells with errors in formula in the current worksheet. Click error cells. The input screen of find error cells would be displayed. By default, the entire worksheet option would be displayed. The user can also use the selected range option. First, we'll select the entire worksheet option. Click find. All the error cells information would be displayed here. The user can also use the Excel view. All the information would be displayed in a new Excel sheet. Under search, click error cells. Click selected range, click find. All the error cells have been displayed. The user can view the same information, Excel view, and the file would be saved with the name Excel cell underscore extract. Let's move on to the next function under search. Under profile, select search, select extract hyperlinks. This function displays a list of all internal and external links in the current worksheet. Click extract hyperlink. All the information in regards to the hyperlink would be displayed. Information in regards to the address, name, external link and internal link would also be displayed. Click Excel view. The same information would be displayed in a new sheet with the name extract. Let's move on to the next function under search. Under eCAAT, under profile, select search, select replace multiple values. This function finds and replaces multiple values in the current worksheet. Click replace multiple values. A confirmation message will be displayed as this function replaces the specified value to new value. Undo operation is not possible. Click OK to proceed. The input screen of replace multiple values will be displayed. Provide the information in regards to the value. For example, let's say 5100. Find the replace value you would like to replace with. We would like to replace with 9999. Click add. Both the information, the original value and the replacement value would be displayed. By default, match all cell contents and entire sheet would be displayed. The user can also select the match entire cell contents as well as the current column or selected columns. We'll first select the match cell contents and the entire sheet option. Click replace. As you can see in this sheet, there are values of 5100. All these would be replaced with 9999 wherever it's displayed. As you can see, there are 54 places wherein the value of 5100 has been replaced with 9999. Click OK. Let's move on to the last function under search. Under profile, select search, select global find and replace. This function finds and replaces a specified value in an entire folder. Click global find and replace. A confirmation message would be displayed as to take the backup of your folder of files before replace. Once the file is replaced, it cannot be reverted. Click S to proceed, no to cancel. The global find and replace input screen would be displayed. Provide and browse through the information in regards to the location of the file. Provide the information of which we are looking out for and provide the replace value. The user can use the find all and replace all option while performing this function. Ensure you take up a backup of all the files and folders before using the global find and replace, as you cannot revert once this function is performed.